The original iPad Pro 12.9 inches was, in 2015, a beautiful product. Its larger form factor may not have been for everyone, but its advancements on the standard iPad were phenomenal. Unfortunately, as time has marched on, its lack of prowess as a laptop replacement became apparent. It just couldn't compete with the likes of Microsoft's Surface devices now though, with the launch of the 2017 model of iPad Pro and the arrival of iOS 11's vast multitasking improvements on iPad Pro, Apple's device is finally a reasonable contender. The A10X processor also gives it a welcome boost and its 120Hz screen makes for gorgeous viewing too. With these changes in mind, here's our take on the 12.9 inches Apple iPad Pro. Read next, Best Tablet 2017 iPad Pro 12.9 inches 2017 Review. What you need to know: 12.9 inches iPad Pro hasn't changed much on the outside, but inside is where it matters. The updated 2017 model ships with a speedier A10X Fusion chip and a new Retina display equipped with a new promotion feature, which adjusts refresh rate on the fly depending on what you're using the tablet for. iOS 11 also comes to the 12.9 inches iPad Pro when it launches later in the year. Buy iPad Pro 12.9 inches from John Lewis. iPad Pro 12.9 inches 2017 Review. Price and competition. Apple's iPad Pro lineup isn't cheap. Launching in 3 storage configurations: 64GB, 256GB and 512GB. Expect to hand over at least £769 for the cheapest non-cellular variant. If you want to go all out, you can pick up the 512GB model equipped with Wi-Fi and cellular for £1,169. Wallet-friendly this ain't. Image 3 of 13 at that price. The 12.9 inches iPad Pro nudges into premium 2-in-1 laptop category. There's Microsoft's excellent Surface Pro to consider, so long as you're happy with Windows 10, with prices starting at £800 sans keyboard. Dell's fancy XPS 13 2-in-1 hybrid runs just shy of £1,300 for the Core i5 model. iPad Pro 12.9 inches 2017 Review. Design and build quality aside from the big internal changes, much is the same as before. This is still the top-end tablet you know and love, complete with Apple's distinct design call signs. Its front is all display, flanked by skinny bezels on either side. You'll notice the camera peeping out at the top, while the central Touch ID-equipped home button makes another appearance just below the screen. Its other features are shared among Apple's smaller screened alternatives. There's the power button on the top, the big central Apple logo on the back, along with, on the cellular-equipped variant, the plastic stripe running from edge to edge. Cast your eyes to the right edge and you'll spot the SIM slot, with the speakers located at the bottom. Image 10 of 13. Speaking of which, instead of the usual solitary speaker grille, the new 12.9 inches iPad Pro is equipped with 4. Yep, that's 4 speakers, 2 on top and the other 2 at the bottom. More on that later. And for all its similarities to Apple's smaller iPad offerings, there's one crucial difference yet to be discussed: its size. This is a monster of a tablet, trust me. The difference between the 12.9 inches and 9.7 inches models is staggering. Despite this gargantuan size, Apple hasn't veered too far from portability. The 12.9 inches iPad Pro is still much lighter than the first-gen iPad, thank the heavens, and this updated model shaves off a little weight from last year, too. It's hardly back-breaking, weighing in at just 677 grams and 723 grams for the cellular-equipped model. iPad Pro 12.9 inches 2017 Review. Display. The iPad Pro's 12.9 inches screen is the biggest Apple has ever crammed in a tablet, and it's much bigger than most of its Android competition, too. Rest assured, it's still the star of the show in 2017. Image 9 of 13. Its 2732 by 2048 resolution panel is just as sharp as you'd need, and it's a looker too. Like other iPads in the range, the iPad Pro takes advantage of an IPS display, so colors are more natural looking and balanced than anything pumped out by an AMOLED panel. The iPad Pro is just as reflective as 2017's other tablets too, with the top glass laminated to the LCD panel beneath it. When put to the test, the 12.9 inches iPad Pro's display is as pixel perfect as it's ever been. The contrast ratio is high at 1421 to 1, producing a punchy, detailed image, and maximum brightness is on the up, reaching 514 candelas per square meter compared to the previous iPad Pro's 400 candelas per square meter. Image 2 of 13. Again, color accuracy is unbeatable, covering 95.5% of the sRGB color gamut. With an average delta E hovering around 1, this or below is perfect. This is a proper, professional-grade display. By iPad Pro 12.9 inches from John Lewis. The iPad Pro's adaptive refresh rate 120 Hz promotion panel is what really seals the deal. Touching, scrolling and sketching on this screen is a far more fluid experience than anything that comes before it. It really needs to be played around with to be believed. This bump in refresh rate both looks and feels fantastic. iPad Pro 12.9 inches 2017 review. Sound. The iPad Pro does particularly well in the sound department too. Like I said before, the 12.9 inches iPad Pro has 4 speakers, rather than the usual 1 or 2. Using its orientation senses, it takes advantage of the top 2 speakers for spatial separation stereo and the bottom 2 to deliver low-frequency sounds. Image 8 of 13. The result is a rather impressive tablet for sound. Watching a film on Netflix, I felt no need to reach for a pair of headphones or to plug in a pair of speakers. That's good news, as you can travel with the one device and use it for everything while you're away. iPad Pro 12.9 inches 2017 review. Performance and battery life. Annual upgrades to Apple's suite of products typically bring a bunch of internal upgrades, and this year's iPad Pro is no different. Apple's aged A10X chip has been spruced up to a triple-core 2.4 GHz A10X paired with 4 GB of RAM and room for up to 512 GB of flash storage. Looking away from the stats, 2017's iPad Pro is irrefutably the nippiest tablet to date. The entire experience, flitting between apps to editing video at 4K resolution, is joyously responsive. The iPad Pro never once slowed down. This is one snappy tablet. Diving into the nitty-gritty, though, prepare to be blown away. The A10X is stupidly fast. A Geekbench 3.1 single-core score of 3,935 and multi-core result of 9,292 ISNT to be scoffed at, with 2017's offering one-upping last year's iPad Pro by a significant margin. Heck, it's even speedier than a Dell XPS 13 2-in-1 running Intel's latest Kaby Lake Y series processor. Likewise, graphics performance is more than up to snuff. Running the GFX Bench Manhattan 3 tests, the 2017 iPad Pro delivered on-screen results of 46 FPS up from 33 FPS and off-screen scores of 108 FPS up from 79 FPS. Again, this is no easy feat. The iPad Pro blazes past any Apple or Android-powered tablet before it. Battery life is the most important aspect of a device these days, and the new iPad Pro doesn't disappoint. In fact, this year's upgrade bumps up the battery life by more than 3 hours, reaching 12 hours 18 minutes in our tests. Compared to the original's 9 hours 8 minutes. You'll effortlessly fit in a full workday on a single charge, and then some. iPad Pro 12.9 inches 2017 review. Verdict. Rest assured, then, the 12.9 inches iPad Pro is still top dog. It's faster than ever before, incorporates a far more fluid experience while remaining every bit as impressive as the original. Add the new and improved Smart Keyboard and Apple Pencil into the mix and you've finally got a credible laptop replacement. This is the first time I've said that. By iPad Pro 12.9 inches from John Lewis. The crux, as ever with updated models, is the price bump. The 12.9 inches iPad Pro is more expensive than ever. Add it all up and you're looking at a cost of £1,000, even with the entry-level model. This ISNT one for the frugal, and there are some great, cheaper alternatives out there, but should you opt for Apple's latest and greatest, the spangly new 12.9 inches iPad Pro will not disappoint.